Hello.
Hello, mate.
God.
I know, much in it.
So we're in a glamorous car park in Watford, aren't we?
Ah, you've ruined it. I was gonna say, take a guess of where we are. Yeah.
I'm not going to pan because it's not that much of an interesting...
There's a shack there and a few cars there.
Yeah.
And some high-rise car park.
This is how we roll on a Friday night.
Living our best lives.
So everyone knows already what this vlog is, but what are we doing?
We are taking the Caledonian Sleeper again, the Lowlander this time instead of the Highlander, to Glasgow. When we get to Glasgow, we're taking a hire car from there to Ardgartan. I don't know how to pronounce it.
I would have put it on the screen just to help out.
Apologies if anyone lives there and I've just insulted you. We're driving there and we've got a cabin in the woods for the week, haven't we? Well,
Yeah.
Weekend.
But we've had a bit of a problem because there's been issues on the train, and this train would normally go from Euston.
Yeah, so usually it departs Euston at 23:30. However, due to disruption, they've had to cancel it from Euston and start it from Watford Junction. Hence the reason we've driven down, because it could be bothered with all the trains. So yeah, we're going to get on it here and then fall asleep, hopefully, and wake up in Glasgow.
Cool. Shall we go and get on the train?
Let's go.
We're still in the car.
We are. It is now 23:26. Train was meant to depart 23:50, but now it's not due to depart until about 1 AM. So they've got to wait for all of West Midlands trains to depart before they can come into the platform. So we're just sitting here,
Waiting.
and hoping, and wishing, and hoping. I don't know the words to that song. What song's that? Is that Stepford Wives?
From my best friend's wedding.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, the intro song.
I think we should listen to it now.
No.
Oh. Just ran. I'm out of breath. It's just arrived. Pulled up with like 1 minute to spare, so just waiting for them to open the doors now.
Well, this is fun, being sent from one side of the train, end of the train to the other.
Yeah, they have the coaches displayed on the side. And a second ago that was like coach B. So everyone kind of went this way, then they changed it again, so everyone went that way. I think we might be the only ones going to Glasgow down. Train to ourselves.
So hopefully this is us.
Unless it changes. And we're going to be that side as well. That's going to be our room. We're going to have one of those stripes through the window again.
Oh. So yeah, this is the lovely platform here at Watford, full of stressy people.
Apart from us.
Yeah.
Yeah. Some guy burped like right next to me as well.
Yeah,
That was
that's
grim, wasn't it?
disgusting.
And then he done the phlegm, like up phlegm bit. Not nice. Ready? Decline.
00:43
It's meant to be 23:30.
Saturday morning, and oh no, I got confused. I thought that changed. I was like, oh no.
They keep flashing, don't they?
I was about to say the platform's full of the Friday night drinkers, but fortunately they're all down there, so
They're all down there.
we've got it all to ourselves.
Yeah, it's good.
On this cold wintry night.
It feels about -20, but I think it's about 8.
My hand's freezing holding this phone.
Is it? Oh, that's a shame.
Hopefully you'll be on soon.
It's
Great
now an M.
organisation here, Caledonian Sleeper. Absolutely great.
Should we do the walk back again, or should we just chill?
I'm just going to stay until we know exactly where we're going. 'Cause
I'm just gonna,
this is
stumble on
really
down,
silly and stupid.
see if I can find out.
Someone is way too happy for 1:45 in the morning.
We made it into the room. We have neighbours. I don't know why I'd whisper that bit, but not
Yeah,
we made it into the room.
weirdo.
Very odd.
So we've disinfected the room. We've actually pretty much just cleaned the room for the Caledonian Sleeper.
You should have seen the colour of the
Yeah.
thing I used. I cleaned the ladder because I thought, oh well. But
To be fair, I don't think this room's cleaned at all, because like, even if you look at that mirror there, it's got loads of crap on it.
And they've thrown my bed on, so it's all like skew so I'm gonna have to fix that.
We don't have any keys, which is not good. It's kind of going all a bit wrong today, isn't
weird,
it?
isn't
There's
it?
no breakfast card.
Is there not?
No.
Oh, there is, look.
Oh, there is. Sorry, I take that back. Apologies.
We have a breakfast card. So I'm not sure if you get a free drink, but we'll find out anyway.
Yeah. So we're on the Lowlander, as I'm hoping George has already explained. This is no real change to the room. So we've got George's double bed here.
Double? Single bed?
I'm tired and delirious. I'm pressing different cameras on the phone as well. And then we've got mine here.
If you don't like the ladder does come out. You just kind of kick it out and pull it, so you can get rid of that. What I've got is the aircon coming on, but it's not, so doors closing.
We showed you this last time as well, but we've got these panels here on each bed. Really handy. And a nice place to put your phone as well. Get the kits. Hopefully not going to get a seductive
No, you won't.
tour of that today.
These pillows are really nice, by the way. You get 2 pillows, a single duvet in each bed with a nice mattress as well.
Yeah. So then below, on my one, we've got the addition of the heat and cold button.
What else was I going to say?
We've also got another one this side, the attendant one, and the UK plugs.
Our suitcase, this one. We was worried it wasn't going to fit anyway. There's a storage area underneath by the ladder. This suitcase is too big to fit under there, so it's just going to have to slot somewhere.
It's about an inch too big, so bear that in mind. There's coat hangers there, and then there's not much room for me to show you. The sink, the pulley out table, bin, towel, window. Oh, when we're moving, I didn't even know that. So yeah.
So the funny thing is, we haven't actually been checked in and we're moving.
Anyone could have got on.
Anyone could have got on. That's a bit weird, isn't it?
Yeah.
So we didn't have to pay. I've just realised, by the way, on the breakfast card, hot drinks. Oh, look, see, it's too late now, isn't it? Hot drinks are served with their compliments. So yay, get a free hot drink or orange juice or apple juice.
What's the time, Georgie?
The time is 1 AM on the dot.
So we're 1 hour and 10 minutes late, yeah?
Yeah, from a station that we weren't even meant to be at.
Cool. Let's settle in.
Yeah.
The water pressure's a bit hit and miss.
Oh my god, it's every time we bump.
I have absolutely no idea what he's doing. He's creating some kind of waterfall of duvet.
The duvet's hanging out the
Apparently it wasn't done right, so
and it's really heavy.
he's taking it upon himself. He's now moaning that the duvet cover is heavy. There's some weird goings on when Georgie is tired. And there he is, psychopath.
The one and only.
So we've got something to tell everyone.
So I'm pretty sure this doesn't happen on every Caledonian trip, ever. But the aircon in our room didn't work, and it was really hot in there, and I went up to the top bunk and I was sweating, so I took the duvet off, and there was loads of hairs under the duvet.
Questionable hairs.
Questionable hairs in questionable places. So when the host came round, he knocked on the door, opened it, told him about the issues. He said, "Oh, would you want to move? Would you want to move to a double room?" I was like, okay. So this is a Caledonian double. This room, by the way, was quoted at £400 each way for this room. But you have a nice poster of Edinburgh,
Yeah.
even though we go to Glasgow.
Pretty much the same sockets here. And a nice big pocket.
So yeah.
Goodie bags as normal. We've also got the addition of this, which we haven't seen before, which appears to have lots of
shampoo,
Ooh.
body wash.
Have we got a pillow spray?
We've got a pillow
New
spray.
pillow spray. The pillow spray is so nice.
But when we came on Cali last time, they were minis, weren't they?
Yeah.
And now they're in this cool little bag.
And then
But the benefit is you have the toilet.
Yeah.
So we've got a shower now as well, so we can use that in the morning, hopefully.
Yeah. Cool.
I'm so happy.
Again, let's settle in.
Yeah, let's try to go to sleep this time.
So because we've moved, we think we have access to this, which is the breakfast menu for free. So George has just filled these out. You can get it in room, or there's some you can get in the club car only. So the porridge, bacon roll, smoothie are all in room, or you can have them in the club car. And the Highland breakfast or the eggs royale are only in the club car. You get to sit to drink, and then
hot and a cold
the time.
drink.
Oh, a hot and a cold drink, which is good. So I hope we get this. So we shall see.
Fingers crossed again.
So this is the current problem with this room. That lovely noise.
It happens. We had a break of about 4 minutes, and now it's happened like every 10-20 seconds.
Wait for it.
Is it gonna happen? It'd be alright if it was low, but it's quite a high pitched noise, isn't it?
Yeah.
So it's just
And
really
I'm used to your snoring, so that's saying something.
I don't snore.
Why is it not going now?
I don't know, it's showing us up now though.
Yeah, it's nervous to be on camera.
3, 2, 1. Oh, in the tunnel now. There we go.
That took just under a minute.
Oh, it's so annoying. So thankfully, in your amenity kit, you get an eye mask. I don't know why I'm doing the descriptions. You get an eye mask and you get earplugs. So Dan's already got his in. He says they work to help that noise. So I'm gonna put this in. Yeah, they reduce it a little bit. So I'm gonna put them in, and we're gonna say goodnight, and we'll see you in the morning. Oh, that's the wrong button. Hi. Still making that noise. Good night, Dan. Breakfast has just been delivered. We are on time again now. Don't know how. So we have 2 teas. I know one of them's an Earl Grey because you ordered an Earl Grey, but one smells Earl Grey. So one of them.
It's a lovely noise.
I know. So it turns out we could have had breakfast in the club car, but because she mentioned it when she knocked on the door.
But I didn't want to.
I know. You didn't want to because of the effort. We've got 2 jars of honey.
Okay.
For our porridge. We've got a porridge each.
What type of porridge is that?
Storts. Storts Scottish porridge. Yeah. And it looks like porridge. So that's fun. We've got one of those each. And we've also got orange juice each, which is in that bag. And it's just, ooh, breaking. That one. So, bon appetit, Dan.
Disembarkation.
Yeah. These corridors are horrible.
Fresh air.
Ooh, look.
So just say the corridor. There's the tiny corridor.
It's a little map of what there is in the station.
Huh.
It's fun.
Where's Tim Hortons?
I don't know, isn't it this side or just outside?
Don't know, we'll find
It's a
it.
taco shop. That's a Starbucks as well. Okay, I'm excited. Oh my god, it's a big house.
There was our bedroom for the night. Now half the size.
Yeah, it's weird, isn't it?
Where's this Tim Hortons, Georgie?
I don't know. I'm walking around the perimeter of the station, so hopefully down here.
So we're currently on the location of World War Z. These very streets we used
Maybe not this
for
one.
filming.
No.
But no, Glasgow in some capacity. So.
Yeah.
What is going on? There's a Taco Bell and Tim Hortons. This is overloading my brain.
Too much. That bus is really loud. It was overloading your brain.
Yeah. It happened.
It did. So the best thing about Tim Hortons in the UK is this frozen lemonade. It tastes amazing.
No, it's not.
Oh well, I like this.
It's about 10 bits, Georgie. Look at these beauties. 50. That should last us a few days.
That'll probably do us till we drive to our place that we're staying at.
Don't be rude. We also got breakfast as well. They got a great deal. $2.99 for a breakfast muffin, a hash brown, and a drink.
Oh, is that how much it was?
Yeah.
That's not bad, is it?
No, it's good.
Hash browns are like normal hash browns.
Yeah.
So you've got sausage and egg.
A bit tiny.
I just got a bacon roll.
Yeah.
Which, we can have bacon in that. Hello.
They're stuck in.
Yeah.
So, Georgie has got a mini.
I've got a mini. And it's not a very mini, is it? It's a big mini. It's a mini Countryman. Have you shown them what it looks like?
Yes.
Inside? Oh. But it's automatic as well. Oh, just took my coat off. Yeah, it's automatic. Leather seats, which are bloody freezing.
Yeah.
Okay,
It's fancy stuff.
Yeah.
Oh, it's all green. Everyone's green.
So we're going to try and work out how to drive this now. I haven't got a clue.
So just been to Sainsbury's. George is driving. It's about to do a roundabout, so I won't distract him.
Yeah, you better not.
But we are 44 minutes out now from the... I was about to say resort. What do we call it? Campsite?
Thing?
Holiday park. We'll call it that.
Yeah, that's official.
Yeah, and you can see the scenery in the distance. So
Would be nicer if it was blue sky, but I'm not going to complain.
no, the weather for this weekend looks pretty poo.
We didn't actually talk about the train last night, did we?
No, but we'll talk about that when we got in a bit of a...
Okay, so you've got to hold fire and continue watching to find out how we slept last night.
God, look at that hair. Oh, bumpy.
Pothole.
So you wanted to update everyone on how we slept last night?
Yeah.
This morning.
Probably tell with his bags under our eyes. We were quite surprised, weren't we? So with the noise we had going on in the room, it was really loud, it was really high pitched.
Yeah.
But I think it's about 2:30. I fell asleep, and I didn't wake up until there was a knock on the door at 7.
Yeah.
So it was only 4.5 hours sleep. I didn't think we were going to get any. I thought it was going to be up all night.
No, it was on and off sleep, I think, wasn't it? So.
But if you know me, I like to have at least 11 to 12 hours sleep a day. The more the better. So 5.5 isn't enough for me. So I might be a bit tired later.
But yeah, we made our time up and we arrived on time.
Yeah.
As you probably know already, because there's little time things down on the screen.
Mm-hmm.
So, but yeah, we're heading out now.
To our place. I'm still trying to get used to this car.
Yeah.
It feels very big to me.
I like it. Our cabin isn't ready. We've stopped for some food. What you got?
I have got a club sandwich. Boom. You can look at that. Runny egg, bacon. I'm not a vegetarian this week. Chips. What have you got?
Quite mature.
You're not a vegetarian this week either, are you?
No.
What's got?
The forest retreat.
You had a cup of tea as well, but that's all gone.
Yes, it's cold, so I had to drink it as
Yeah.
quick as possible.
This came to £17.95 altogether.
Let's have a taste.